Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig.
Choose a slot to use for this game. Getting Polly to say silly sentences is fun. Why not try the talking parrot game? Feed Polly. Peppa and George love to feed Polly Parrot. What a great score!
Polly wants 2 yellow crackers. Polly wants more. Polly wants 2 red crackers. Polly wants more. Polly wants 3 yellow crackers. Polly wants more. Polly wants a red cracker. Polly wants more. Polly wants 4 red crackers. Polly wants more. Polly wants 4 red crackers. Polly wants more.
Are you sure? Are you sure? There are lots of fun games to play here. Matching pairs. Peppa and George love to play matching pairs. Can you see your score? Touch the cards to make a pair. Have a practice. Then try against the clock. Zoe Zebra. Great! Teddy. Mrs. Duck. Mrs. Duck. Super! Teddy. That's excellent. Well done. You matched all the pairs. There are lots of fun games to play here. Talking Parrot. Peppa and George love to play with Polly Parrot. Press the squares to make a silly sentence and then touch the tick box. Polly Parrot will repeat everything that she hears. Pedro Pony is a green car.
Pedro Pony is a green car.
Try another one. Mummy Pig is a silly yo-yo.
Mummy Pig is a silly yo-yo.
Try another one. Keep going. You've almost won a sticker. Are you sure? There are lots of fun games to play here. Stickers. Make a lovely picture with the stickers you've won. What a smashing picture. 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 That looks lovely. That looks lovely. What a smashing picture. That looks lovely.